I know I didn't upload for a whole month on YouTube, but I've been vlogging. So I put together a few clips and I made something for you all. So please do enjoy. Like, comment. Oh, I didn't welcome you all, man. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Stacy. As long as you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bells, you are part of the asking. I forgot my intro, it's been a while. But yeah, please enjoy this video. Bye. Today's the 26th of April, so let me show you what I bought. I already ate the things I forgot to show you earlier on, but yeah, let me just show you what I bought in Vorman. A Doritos, obviously, and it's open. A chocolate ramen raisins, my favorite. If you wanna buy me chocolate, Nick, get me this one. I didn't open the cool drink yet. Sprite. So yeah, and I'm cooking macaroni, so yeah. Morning guys, I just woke up. Today's a Saturday and we are cleaning the house today. It's currently 9:25 a.m. so let me get up. It's so cold, man. I'm done cleaning. I'm gonna see you all another day. Bye, besties. Let me show you what I'm cooking. I'm cooking today. We have chicken necks here, and then macaroni here, and then I'm cooking mince right now. Chef's kiss. Thing about me, guys, ik zal eet. Ik. Ik zal eet ik. I'm eating necks. Mas barato. Thank you so much for watching, besties. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bells to be notified whenever I post a video. More bangers coming. I promise you'll just get me 2K subscribers. 2K subscribers, and I'm gonna give you all the bangers. Bye.